everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have an unboxing that is of the Face Mask Club sheet mask subscription service. This is going to be quite a busy week this week as I have quite a few things to do unboxings of. There have been quite a few good deals on the market as of late, so there have been a couple of extra boxes of things that I have picked up. I'm hoping to have a video to post every single day this week, Monday to Friday. So apologies if unboxing isn't your thing. This is probably not going to be the week for you. Like I say, starting with the Face Mask Club subscription service. This is a sheet mask delivery service. They do have a couple of different levels of service on their website. You can choose from either 5 or 7 sheet masks and you can get them in either a one-off box or you can sign up to the monthly subscription like I have. For the one-off boxes, if you order the 5 sheet masks, it is £9.95, and if you order the 7 sheet masks, it's £12.99. If you do decide to sign up to the monthly subscription, you will save 5% on each of those boxes every month. So I believe that takes the 5 sheet mask subscription down to £9.45 and the 7 sheet mask subscription down to, I think it's £12.34. We'll have confirmation of the price details listed in the description box below, as well as the link to their website. So this is now the second month on the subscription that I've received from these, but it is my third box from them. I did initially just get a one-off box from them, just to put the feelers out as to what the service was like and what sheet masks were available, but I did really enjoy it and they do have great customer service as well, so I did decide to sign up to the subscription. So I have the 5 sheet masks, which were £9.45. That does include free delivery to the UK as well, so it is just £9.45. I was signed up to another sheet mask subscription, which was based in the US called FaceTory, but I did have to pay shipping from the US for that one, so it did always work out a bit more expensive. When I signed up to this service, I did think I had cancelled FaceTory, but I got a dispatch email from them the other day, so apparently I hadn't, so I will have a FaceTory unboxing later on in the month as well, but I have now cancelled that service because I'm happy to stick with this one. So like I say, I do have 5 sheet masks contained in here. This is how the packaging comes. It is nice and slim and fits straight through your letterbox, and then it does have the labelling of Face Mask Club. They do also have a little tag on here as well, which mine's turned around. So mine has a little note onto me which says, "We loved your video, we hope you're still not finding stars everywhere." So if you see in my unboxing last month, you will see that they do have little star sequins which are part of their packaging, but because of the material of the sheet masks, they do stick to the packaging, and I did also find that they were everywhere for a good week or so. But I think it's really nice that they did watch my video as well. I have paid for this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by them in any way. I did just tag them in my Instagram post when I shared my last video, so that's obviously how they found my video, but I'm in no way affiliated with them. I am paying for this subscription myself, and so far I'm really enjoying it. So let me just open this up and we'll see what sheet masks we've got this month. Comes in this really cute pink tissue paper and there are stars everywhere again. So they are stuck to the back of all the sheet masks. What I think I might do, try and recycle them, is I'll try and remember to save them each month and I'll put them in like a little Ziploc bag, and then my daughter can use them as part of her kind of crafts and things. They are really pretty shiny stars, so she will definitely like that. So here are the 5 sheet masks that I've got, so I'll just run through them. The first one is from a brand called Merry Youth, and this is the Natural Ampule Mask Collagen. This isn't a brand I've heard of before or tried anything from. A lot of the sheet masks in here are from Korean skincare brands, which is very similar to the FaceTory subscription. There are a couple of crossovers from brands that I've tried in that service, but this is not one of them. So this one doesn't have a lot of English on the back. It does just say, after facial wash, use a toner and put the sheet mask on and leave it on for 10 to 30 minutes. It doesn't say what the sheet mask does, it just says not to put on like kind of broken skin and things like that, but obviously it's got collagen in it, so I presume it's like an anti-aging mask, and I've been definitely getting into collagen products lately, so I'm excited to give that one a go. Then we have a mask from the brand Blanc, and this is a brand I am definitely familiar with. I've tried quite a few masks from this brand through FaceTory, but I've not tried this coconut one, and I am a huge fan of anything coconut, so I'm really excited to give this one a go. I haven't had the best of luck with the Blanc masks. mainly because they aren't the best fitting, and usually the ones that I've tried have been kind of aloe and cucumber, which I'm not a massive fan of the scent of, so hopefully the scent of this one will kind of redeem it. This one says it strengthens the skin barrier and has a sedative effect and a whitening effect, skin soothing, whitening and intensive nutrition. And it says on the back it contains rosemary, chamomile, green tea, licorice, gold, 7 plant extracts to help calm and strengthen skin barrier, moisturise your dry skin and give vitality to the skin that is tired by exposure to the harmful environment. So I'm excited to give that one a go and see what that one smells like. Then we have one from the brand Etude House, which again isn't a brand I've tried before, and this is a tea tree mask which says it is refreshing and soothing. I have been loving anything that had tea tree in it lately. Because of having to wear a mask a lot, I have definitely been suffering with a lot of breakouts, and I find anything with tea tree oil in really soothing on my skin and really helpful. So this is a product that if I have a kind of massive outbreak, this one will be really helpful. Again, on the back it doesn't have a lot of information on. It just says a low irritant mask made of breathable air sheet, effectively delivering 7 free essence to the skin. Tea tree mask keeps skin feeling fresh and moisturised by soothing skin with non-sticky refreshing moisture. So that one sounds really good as well. Then we have this one from the brand Cedia, I think that is, and this is a Rebalancing Moisture Aloe Mask. And this one doesn't have anything on the back, it is all in Korean, it just says leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, but obviously it says here Rebalancing and Moisture. Like I said, I'm not a massive fan of anything aloe scented or cucumber scented. Aloe I can bear with a lot more than cucumber, so hopefully it's not too overpowering, but excited to give this one a go, and I know aloe is really good for your skin. And then the final sheet mask we have here looks like a really fun one, and this is from the brand Berasom. This is a hyaluronic acid animal mask. So I'm hoping it is the face of the animal and not the kind of thing that is sticking in the air. So this one says the mask provides deep moisture for the skin, and that's all it says pretty much. So from the look of the little pictures on the back, it is the face of the animal, thankfully, and it might look slightly terrifying. I always see pictures of these online of animal masks, and I don't think I've tried one before. My kind of prime time for applying a sheet mask is once my daughter is down for the night. Before I go and wash my hair and things, I tend to just have half an hour relaxing time, usually catching up on YouTube with a sheet mask on. Occasionally I make the mistake of applying one too soon, thinking she's already gone to sleep, and then I have to go in to tend to her with a sheet mask on, which she usually does give me some quite strange looks. I can only imagine if I've got this one on what she's going to think about it, but it will be a fun one, and I will remember to try and take a picture when I have this one on. What I think I did say I was going to do previously with this one is go over any sheet masks that I had tried the month before, but because I am still trying to work through some other sheet masks I have from FaceTory and other subscription services, I tend to do just like a general roundup of sheet mask empties. So I think I will wait till I'm only using the ones from this brand, so that I am going through all my sheet mask empties at once, and then I don't do a sheet mask empty video as well. So obviously, for the fact that I forgot to cancel FaceTory means that's going to be delayed a little bit. Once I am solely using these sheet masks, that's how I think I will do the format of my videos. But so far I've been absolutely loving this service. I think it is an absolute bargain to get 5 sheet masks for £9.45, roughly kind of £2 a sheet mask, which if I was to go and buy sheet masks in Superdrug and the like, I would pay in most cases kind of £2.99 each. And this way I'm getting to try loads of different brands and loads of different ingredients and things that I wouldn't necessarily try by going to get a sort of Garnier or whatever mask. So I do really love this service, and it is nice getting that little treat through your door. With regards to how payment is taken for this, I believe your payment will be taken on the day you sign up. So say you sign up on the 5th of the month, your payment will be taken on the 5th of the next month. So for me, I believe I signed up on kind of the 1st or 2nd of the month, so that will be my payment date going forward. But as soon as the payment date's taken out, I tend to receive my box within a few days, which is great, and they are just sent by Royal Mail. So I do highly recommend this service, and I'm excited to see what sheet masks I get each month. But that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.